Do you need a study room? Watch this video to learn how to reserve one. Go to the library's website and select Study Room Reservation. The current day's study room schedule will display automatically. Scroll down or use the green arrows to move the date forward. Or click on the calendar icon and select the date you need. Select the room that you want to reserve. Log in using your center username and password. A study room can be reserved for 2-hour blocks 3 times per week, Sunday through Saturday, by the same person. Note, that does not mean you can reserve study room 210 for 2 times as well as 215 for 2 different times in the same week. Change the time you want to reserve the room in the drop-down box. If you are trying to reserve a room last minute and it is already past the time you are trying to start your reservation, it will not work. For example, if you are trying to reserve a room from 8 to 10 p.m. and the time is 8:03 p.m., the reservation system will not let you make a reservation. Instead, you will need to reserve the room starting at 8:30. Add the title of your reservation, either your name or the class you are studying for, and select Create. You will receive an email stating your reservation has been created and is awaiting approval. You do not need to wait for approval before using a study room. However, if you have exceeded the weekly reservation limit, 3 per student, you will receive an email reminder from the reservations moderator that you need to adjust your reservations for the week. If you are trying to reserve a room for elsewhere on campus, select the building's icon next to the date and choose the building in which you wish to make the reservation. Follow the same directions for reserving a room. Be mindful that each building and room may have different limitations on the reservations that may be made. If you have any problems or questions about making a reservation, please contact a staff member.